everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Philine, and it's always good to know when to shop, where to shop, and how to shop, because shopping is an art. Yes, it is an art. And today's video is unboxing, and because this is the exception of everything what I said because it's not me who bought this one, it's my husband. And let's go for it. All right, so it's been a while that I haven't filmed unboxing, so yeah. And if you like this type of video, unboxing, sharing you the deals and sales everywhere, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. All right, so this is from the Saddleback Leather Go. Okay, so this is a little bit expensive. Actually, this is $160, I believe. My husband bought this one for me, and since it's winter time, he told me I gotta have it. Yeah, because this one is very soft and very beautiful, and it's handmade, and they made it out of sheep. So without further ado, let's see it. So this is very it's a saddle leather bag. Disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video. I'm just unboxing it for you, so at least you know these exist. Yes, so that's how it look like. So this is the sheep skin, and I believe this one is really soft. So all I can say, this is made in Mexico, old Mexico, and this is pretty cool. Look at that cool carving in there. And so I haven't researched so much of this product. I am just excited because they call it the sheepskin slipper. So since it's winter time, this one is very fluffy and very nice. My husband have this one, and of course he bought this for me. And by the way, they don't go on sale. Yes, so it is really pretty. And to be, what they said is I need to scuff this one or rub it in the floor, not in the floor, or the cement, or the rough surface, so it have creases on it, so it's not sliding on your floor, right? So that's why. And there is the other one, of course, and there you go. Voila, nice. This is really beautiful, and here in Montana it's really cold, and it comes with a beautiful dust bag that says Saddleback Leather Go. Yeah, so far I cannot tell you much about this, but I can tell you this: I wear my husband's slipper, and it's very nice, and it's very fluffy, and it's super nice to your toes and your feet. It's like a pillow on your feet. So yeah, so it looks like, oh, there you go, it looks like this at the back and up front again. There you go. So since I'm size 9.5, so I just have a 10 for this one, like another half inch bigger. So it's nice. It's nice and beautiful. And so I probably will come back and review this update in the future. But so far I like the feel of this sleeper with my husband's slipper, I mean. And then that's why he bought this one for me, and I'm gonna wear them today. Yes, thank you so much. And if you like to buy some good deals and stuff, I do have a link here in my Mercari shop. If you like, you can offer me something with the pricing that I did. So that's it. Thank you very much. I will keep this video short, and I will see you soon. Bye.